Hey, this is Mark with Vortex Hobby. Today we're going to take a quick look at the 12mm conversion kit for the Axial Yeti. This product's from Hot Racing, who in the past couple years has come a long way and are starting to turn out some really high-end parts. Again, all the parts we look at are from Vortex Hobby. Either you can come into our shop or visit us on the web at vortexhobby.com. So let's take a quick look at this product and see what it's all about. So let's take a look at what we have. We have two new axle shafts for your rear axle. We have two front axle hubs for the front. We have two different sizes of hex. I'm not sure which these go on, front or rear. I'll let you know in the video. And then we have set screws to tighten down our wheel hexes. Let me get these on the vehicle and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Here it is installed on the rear of the Yeti. You can see you gain about an inch of length on the rear axle. One other quick thing to note, I just wanted to show. Before, this was the wheel hub that had to be installed on the rear wheel of the Yeti to make up that difference. Now, any size wheel hub, front or rear, will be able to mount right up. Here the hex is installed on the front. You only gain about 1/8 of an inch. That is all that is necessary due to the fact that the front stock is already far wider than the rear. Just wanted to give you a quick look with tires mounted. You can see they are right in line with each other. The distances are the same between front and rear. So that was a look at the Hot Racing Hex Hub Adapter Kit for the Axial Yeti. Hope you like it. Keep having fun with RCs. See y'all later.